stop scrolling. This is a legacy property of Willow Glen that you are not going to want to miss. Originally built in 1885, this is a rare and masterful blend of historic preserved charm and modern luxury. Thoughtfully rebuilt and extensively remodeled in 2017, the home retains its architectural soul while offering today's most coveted functionality, comfort, and design. Set on an oversized 12,000 square foot lot in one of the neighborhood's most beloved locations. The main level was re-envisioned into a stunning open concept layout, anchored by a show-stopping chef's kitchen designed to impress and perform. An extraordinary secondary prep kitchen with dedicated prep space, expansive granite countertops, and this natural quartzite island flows seamlessly into the living and dining spaces, making this the perfect space to elevate everyday living and entertaining alike. The main floor also features a stunning home office with built-in bookshelves and picture-perfect windows with the original leaded glass details. An ensuite also offers the perfect guest space. And this mudroom off the back door is the perfect place to drop your bags, shoes, and laundry with functional living at its core. The primary suite is a private sanctuary highlighted by the charming reading nook and the walk-in closet. The spa-like bathroom is housed in the home's iconic round turret, featuring a dramatic walk-in shower with 2 shower heads, soaking tub, heated floors, and exquisite designer tiles. This floor also includes 2 additional bedrooms and a hall bath with a clawfoot tub. And the lower level suggests so many great ways to spend your downtime. Lounging for a movie, hosting game night, or check out this, one of my favorite features of the property. During the 2017 remodel, they salvaged the bricks from the original foundation and turned them into a wine room. Throughout the home, the timeless craftsmanship shines. Restored historic moldings, doors, windows, and hardware blend beautifully with custom millwork and refined finishes. Behind the scenes, every major system has been upgraded for peace of mind. New foundation, roof, electrical, plumbing, HVAC systems, and more. A classic wraparound front porch invites lingering mornings and evening conversations, while the fully fenced and gated yard provides privacy and flexibility on the expansive lot, perfect for entertaining, play, or future possibilities. This property is ideally located just across the street from the beloved Frank Bramhall Park and just blocks from vibrant downtown Willow Glen with dining, shops, and so much more. This is an iconic property of Willow Glen that you do not want to miss. Reach out direct to set up your private tour.